Hi, I thought I would share in the unboxing of my 12-inch selfie ring light with tripod stand. I just got it. I'm opening it up and I want to take you with me. I first want to explain why I chose this one. I noticed that some of the selfie stands only go like to 50 inches or so, and I wanted something that was definitely taller than I was so that it could have a more flattering angle, frankly. And I also wanted to get something with a light, but I already have like my really expensive $200 ring light that is in my studio. I just wanted a simple, basic light. So I went with this, and let's see how it looks. All right, packaged very nicely. I love when they have actual instructions because oftentimes you have to go to the website to see how to put things together, and I'm not a fan of that. So here's the 12-inch selfie light. Just very simple, lightweight. It's exactly what I was expecting. It's got a remote. Let's see, you can increase the intensity, and there are different modes. So there's warm, cool, neutral. Love that. Let's check out the actual tripod. All right, we got two pieces. This feels nice and heavy. Oh yeah, this feels really nice. Okay, yep, I love that already. Love it already. And then this must be the base. Yes. All right, so let's put it together. Here's the base. I just went ahead and opened it. I'm setting it on the floor. Looks pretty straightforward. We're going to screw this in there. Everything feels very sturdy. I really like it already. I do. All right, I loosened up all of these little flaps so that we can lift this up. Nice, very tall. All right, I think I'm going to set it up so that you can see how tall it can be. So I had to really back everything up so that you could see how tall it is. So here it is, taller than me. And there are a few different options at this point. So we're just going to attach the ring light, and I'll show you that first. Let's straighten this so that the screw is on the top. And so, like I said, this can be loosened so that you can, oh my gosh, we got to make my other camera higher. So we have attached it, and this is bendable, so you can loosen this hinge right here. And if you want this to tilt down, which is a great thought for people like me that have glasses, so you can have this at different angles. Now I'm going to show you how you would attach your phone. All right, we're getting ready to attach our phone, and this is probably my favorite part right here, is that this is bendable so that you can adjust the angle of your phone. If you've done anything with video, you know how important that is. This adjusts to however wide your phone is, and you can hold it vertically or you can move it so that it's held horizontally. So bonus, bonus. And we just simply screw it in right here. I got a lot of reflection on my glasses. Sorry about that. All right, and there we go. It's ready to go. But if you wanted to use this only as a tripod and not have the light, you can do that as well. So this is what you would use if you only wanted to attach your phone. There are two different ways to screw it in. So you can screw it in here so that it holds your phone horizontally, or you can screw it in here so that it holds your phone vertically. Let's see what we want to do here. This would hold your phone horizontally. Let's see what the other option is. All right, this has so many options. I can't believe it. So this is showing that if you loosen this, this whole head up here can move. So, here's your camera. It's on there horizontally. You can be moving it around like that. You can turn this so that you can film vertically. So cool. Very, very cool. I can't believe how many options there are. And you've got this Bluetooth camera control, which is really nice that you don't always have to stop and like push the button. You can be pressing this when you want to start and stop your video. Love that. All right, let's turn it on and see what it looks like. All right, two more things I've noticed. This has a USB at the end of the cord, so it doesn't plug directly into the wall. It would need to plug into a charger, for example, which plugs into the wall. Or if you have your laptop or some other electrical device that you can use a USB port with, you would do that. Okay, before I forget, I figured out that you don't have to twist this around and around. You can just set it on there because there is a like a little gauge that you can spin that to tighten it instead of spinning this big thing. That's probably been the case with all of my ring lights that I never noticed. Oh well, live and learn. So we've got it plugged in and let's see what we got. All right, let's increase the brightness. And let's try the different modes. So this must be warm, cool, neutral. Nice. All right. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to put this phone on this tripod and film myself and see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. I kind of hate to say it, but I think this lighting is better than the $200 lighting that I had a couple seconds ago. I think this is really nice. I have it on the most brightness, the highest brightness, and the neutral. I love it. I love the height options. I love the position options. I think that it is lightweight enough that it's easy to move around, but it feels very sturdy and stable. I'm very excited to use this product. If you end up getting it, let me know what you think as well.